In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up animation in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, attention-grabbing pop-up that appears right on cue and helps your message stand out. First, open CapCut. When the editor loads, make sure you're in a new project so you have a fresh timeline to work with. You'll see the preview window on top and the timeline at the bottom. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. CapCut layouts can vary a bit across devices, but the tools you need are always easy to find. Next, add your video. Import your clip and place it on the main video track in the timeline. Scrub through to find the exact moment where you want your pop-up to appear. This could be a beat drop, a gesture, or a key point in your narration. Move the playhead to that frame so you can line everything up precisely. If it helps, zoom into the timeline for finer control. This step sets the foundation for timing, which is the secret to a convincing pop-up. Now, go to Text. Open the Text panel and add a short label or callout that explains what's popping up. Something simple, like a word or two. Keep it concise for maximum readability. You can choose a bold font and high-contrast color so the text is easy to see against your video. Place the text where you want the pop-up to appear on screen, but don't worry about perfection yet. You can nudge its position later. After that, go to Icons. Within the Text or Elements area, open the Icons section and pick a simple graphic that complements your message. Think arrows, circles, or a small symbol that draws the eye. Minimal icons work best for a clean pop-up look. Add the icon to your timeline, then position it near your text in the preview so they feel like a single pop-up unit. Matching the style and color of your text and icon helps everything feel cohesive. Finally, position the icon to its proper timing. Trim the icon layer so it starts exactly when the playhead hits your chosen moment, and do the same with the text layer. A short on-screen duration, like 1 to 2 seconds, usually feels snappy and intentional. Drag the layers together so they appear at the same time, and preview a few times to fine-tune the timing. If the pop feels too sudden, extend the duration slightly. If it feels sluggish, shorten it. Play it back from a few seconds earlier to check the flow, then export when you're happy. That's it. Clean, simple, and effective.